they do say it's always best to check your engine at least once a week. So what I've done is I've opened the bonnet, and the battery's still there, this water thing's still there, this round thing is still there, and somewhere in here there's a red fanny thing, and this thing is still here, and that's still there. So at least I've checked, and yeah, my engine's still there. So that's that done. There we go. So the state of him, honestly. So yes, as you can see, I am here in a field that is exceptionally blowy. I wonder what happens if you cut one of those wires. It's exceptionally blowy, but I want to try out this microphone because as you see, I put the big puffer on it, and wind thing. I can't remember what it's called. So many people call it puffers, it's unbelievable. So yeah, so here I am, standing in the wind. It's very windy actually, but the question is, does it work? Okay, now to start that off, I said record video. Record stop. No, that didn't stop it. Video stop. Stop. Record stop. Stop recording. Record, no, I can't get it to stop. I can get it to start. Video record. But I can't get it to stop. I just said record video again and it started up. Everybody seems to have a square picture of themselves driving on YouTube and on their programs. I'm gonna have a fisheye, just for the hell of it, just so it's different. That's just me though, I just like to be different. Fiddling about with what you can do. I'm actually using a Samsung Galaxy S7 to do my videoing with. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is very good for a mobile phone. And I also use Power Director for editing, which I find easy to do on the phone actually, but then I have done quite a few on the phone now, and there's some quite good effects on it that you can use. So yeah, I'm going to be in a circle from now on. Stop videoing. Video stop. Stop video. Turn off. Halt video. No, can't get it. They like it on the beach, don't they?
I loved it.
G up, Ned. Morning.
How are you?
Am I? What? Banging my head? Oh, living the dream. I'm trying. I am trying. Some time lapse. I used that one for wide angle shots.
Oh, okay.
This one just records everywhere I go. There's two on the back actually. There's one at the top.
Yeah, some one at the top.
And there's one right down the bottom.
All right.
Because the problem is if you're reversing,
Yeah.
it's hard to see right down the floor. So where the
because
ball
actually
joint
I've got
is,
mine pointed right down, so I
Yes.
use it for that rather
Yeah.
than looking back.
yeah. So
You've got rear windows.
a bit of it.
Or no?
I have, but
Oh, you had.
I had, but I got the telly up the back as well, so that's why.
Right.
Well, nice talking to you.
Well, have a good time.
I will, and you. Bye now. People say to me, why do you like living in Exmouth? I'll show you.